Raw onions, a health powerhouse or a hidden danger? You might love their crunch and strong flavor, but what if I told you that eating them the wrong way could do more harm than good? Before you take another bite, let's uncover the shocking truth about raw onions that no one talks about. Eating raw onions provides a powerful boost to overall health due to their rich content of antioxidants, sulfur compounds, and flavonoids. The presence of quercetin, a potent antioxidant, plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to diseases such as arthritis, cardiovascular conditions, and even autoimmune disorders. Quercetin works by inhibiting inflammatory pathways, reducing oxidative stress, and preventing the overproduction of inflammatory enzymes like leukotrienes and prostaglandins. Additionally, raw onions contain thiosulfonates, which further suppress the production of cytokines, key agents in inflammatory responses. These compounds not only combat inflammation at the cellular level, but also provide detoxification benefits by breaking down harmful toxins that accumulate in tissues, reducing oxidative damage to organs, and improving overall physiological function. Heart health is another significant benefit of consuming raw onions. Sulfur compounds such as thiosulfonates and saponins help prevent blood clot formation, reducing the risk of strokes and heart attacks. Quercetin has been shown to lower blood pressure in hypertensive individuals, as demonstrated in multiple studies, including a 2010 report in Pharmaceuticals. By relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation, these compounds enhance cardiovascular function. Additionally, onions have cholesterol-lowering properties, helping to balance lipid levels in the bloodstream. Organosulfur compounds reduce LDL cholesterol while increasing beneficial HDL cholesterol, preventing plaque buildup in arteries and reducing the likelihood of atherosclerosis. The flavonoids in onions also contribute to maintaining the elasticity of blood vessels, preventing their hardening and reducing the risk of hypertension. For those looking to manage their weight effectively, raw onions offer natural anti-obesity benefits. Quercetin and its derivatives, such as quercetin glucosides, influence fat metabolism by enhancing lipid oxidation and reducing fat accumulation. Research published in the Journal of Inflammation Research in 2020 highlights how these flavonoids help regulate genes responsible for fat storage and energy expenditure. Onions also improve insulin sensitivity, preventing blood sugar spikes that contribute to excessive fat storage. This regulation of blood sugar is particularly beneficial for individuals with insulin resistance, making onions a valuable dietary component for those at risk of obesity-related conditions. The presence of prebiotic fibers in onions further aids in weight management by promoting a healthy gut microbiome, which influences metabolic processes and appetite control. Raw onions also demonstrate remarkable anti-diabetic properties. Studies published in Preventive Nutrition and Food Science emphasize the impact of quercetin and its glucosides on blood sugar regulation. These compounds improve insulin function by enhancing glucose uptake in muscle cells and reducing insulin resistance. Sulfur-containing compounds such as cysteine sulfoxides stimulate insulin secretion and enhance glucose metabolism, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. Additionally, the presence of flavonoids like rutin further supports glycemic control by reducing oxidative stress in pancreatic cells, thereby preserving insulin production. Consuming raw onions regularly may lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, while improving blood sugar stability in those already diagnosed with the condition. Beyond metabolic health, raw onions possess potent antimicrobial properties. Their ability to combat bacterial, fungal, and viral infections is due to compounds such as allicin, which has been extensively studied for its antibacterial effects. A 2022 study in Food Frontiers found that allicin disrupts bacterial cell walls, preventing bacterial replication and inhibiting the spread of harmful microorganisms. Additionally, quercetin and its glucosides interfere with microbial enzyme function, making it harder for bacteria to sustain infections. Onions have demonstrated effectiveness against antibiotic-resistant bacteria, offering a natural way to enhance immunity. The sulfur compounds in onions also create an inhospitable environment for harmful pathogens in the digestive tract, reducing the risk of gastrointestinal infections and supporting overall gut health. Neuroprotection is another crucial advantage of incorporating raw onions into the diet. Oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain are major contributors to cognitive decline, including conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Quercetin's neuroprotective effects have been highlighted in studies, such as one published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition in 2021, showing that this flavonoid reduces neuronal damage and enhances cognitive function. By scavenging free radicals and preventing oxidative damage, quercetin helps maintain brain health and slow age-related cognitive deterioration. Additionally, organosulfur compounds in onions have been shown to support neurotransmitter balance, potentially improving memory, focus, and mental clarity. Raw onions also play a vital role in liver and kidney health, aiding in detoxification and protecting against damage caused by environmental toxins, alcohol, and pharmaceuticals. A 2018 study in the Indian Journal of Clinical Biochemistry revealed that sulfur compounds in onions reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in liver cells. These compounds promote liver enzyme activity, enhancing the breakdown and elimination of harmful substances from the body. In the kidneys, quercetin and steine sulfoxides prevent fibrosis and improve renal function by modulating inflammatory pathways. The combination of antioxidants and sulfur-containing compounds in onions ensures that these vital organs remain functional and resilient against damage. For individuals suffering from respiratory conditions such as asthma or chronic bronchitis, raw onions provide relief due to their anti-inflammatory and mucolytic properties. Quercetin acts as a natural antihistamine, reducing allergic responses and easing airway inflammation. A 2023 study in Nutrients highlighted the synergistic effects of onion compounds in preventing respiratory tract infections and reducing mucus buildup. Additionally, cysteine sulfoxides contribute to breaking down thick mucus, clearing the airways, and improving lung function. These effects make raw onions a valuable natural remedy for individuals prone to seasonal allergies or respiratory infections. The digestive system also benefits significantly from raw onion consumption. Onions are rich in prebiotic fibers, which nourish beneficial gut bacteria and promote a balanced microbiome. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for efficient digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. Research in Frontiers in Nutrition in 2021 emphasized the role of onion A, a sulfur-containing compound, in protecting the gut lining and preventing gastrointestinal infections. The presence of quercetin further aids in reducing gut inflammation, alleviating symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome (IBS) and other digestive disorders. Regular consumption of raw onions supports overall gut health and ensures optimal digestive function. Beyond digestion, raw onions also offer significant benefits for reproductive health. Studies in Cryobiology 2017 have shown that quercetin improves sperm quality and function by reducing oxidative stress in reproductive tissues. Additionally, sulfur compounds enhance blood circulation, indirectly supporting erectile function and hormone balance. Onion A and cysteine sulfoxides have also been linked to prostate health, with studies indicating their potential to reduce the progression of prostate enlargement and support overall male reproductive function. Onions also serve as a natural remedy for allergies. Quercetin stabilizes mast cells, preventing the excessive release of histamine, which triggers allergic reactions. A study in Molecules 2016 highlighted quercetin's ability to inhibit allergic responses, reducing symptoms such as nasal congestion, sneezing, and skin irritation. Additionally, sulfur compounds in onions contribute to anti-inflammatory processes that further alleviate allergic reactions, making onions a natural alternative for managing seasonal allergies. Sleep and mood improvements have also been linked to raw onion consumption due to their influence on gut health and neurotransmitter balance. Quercetin has been found to regulate sleep patterns by modulating serotonin levels in the brain. Research in Brain Research 2010 suggests that onions' antioxidant properties contribute to reduce stress and anxiety, supporting emotional well-being. The prebiotic fibers in onions further enhance gut health, leading to increased serotonin production, which directly affects mood and sleep cycles. Bone health benefits from onion consumption as well. with studies indicating that regular intake of raw onions improves bone density and reduces the risk of fractures. Research published in Menopause, 2009, found that women who consumed onions daily had significantly stronger bones due to the flavonoids and sulfur compounds in onions. These compounds inhibit osteoclast activity, preventing excessive bone breakdown and promoting skeletal strength. Onions contribute to vision health by reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Quercetin has been studied for its ability to protect the retina and lens from oxidative damage, as highlighted in Antioxidants, 2021. Additionally, cysteine sulfoxides play a role in glutathione production, a critical antioxidant that defends eye tissues from deterioration. Perhaps one of the most compelling reasons to include raw onions in the diet is their potential role in cancer prevention. Quercetin and sulfur compounds such as onionin A have been found to inhibit tumor growth and prevent angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels that support cancer cell proliferation. Studies in phytotherapy research, 2019, demonstrate that these compounds can induce apoptosis in cancerous cells, reducing their ability to spread. Additionally, cysteine sulfoxides contribute to detoxification processes that remove carcinogens from the body, lowering overall cancer risk.